Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram video call Minimise not working. So guys, when you have make your video call on Instagram Messenger and want to minimize your video call and facing the issue that Minimise call not working on iPhone. So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to open your settings on Instagram on iPhone, and guys, after opening your iPhone settings you have to click on general, and guys, here you will see the option of picture in picture. Simply you have to click on this, and guys, you need to make sure that it is turned on. So guys, if it is off, simply you have to turn it on, and after doing this you have to go back, and after this your problem will be fixed. And guys, second step is you have to check all the permissions on Instagram app. Simply you have to click on Instagram, and guys, you need to check the permission of camera, photos, and all of these permissions. So guys, if any permission is disabled, then guys you need to make it enable, and after doing this you have to go back. And guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you have to update your Instagram app or from App Store, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.